hopefully gold may make a break for it. Came back up here, retest this, boom. Broke this once, came and retest it again, broke it. So this is the low of the day. Not sure if I can catch that move. Let me see. I'd rather break the low. This would be an okay catch, but there's a lot of resistance right here. Probably catch a few points on that. Might get something today on gold. Candle looks a little active. We'll see. Free COVID test. Why are they offering me that? I wonder if anybody caught that the Marcus Barney and Grant Cardone live last night. It was real inspiring. Just under 45 minutes before the Forex market opens. I like to use the app FX Hours. I marked up GU, but I just didn't like the way it looked. So there was a Asian bank holiday yesterday. So there wasn't a lot of momentum going from the Asian session to the London session, but it looks like there was some moves during the London session. The Frankfurt market was open. And the New York was open as well. So I'm just waiting right now, but the way gold is looking, it looks like it's going to break already. Just a lot of liquidity. Not a lot, but it's moving. I wish I can stream over at Instagram too. That'd be pretty cool if they integrate this into Instagram. Rashad Barnes. I'm not sure who this is. You know when you get requests from people but you don't know who they are. I'm not sure if this is one of my nephews or a cousin or something. Not sure, but maybe he wants to know how to trade. I don't know. Hey, good morning, beautiful.
Mom doesn't have one card. Mom doesn't have one card.
No, she doesn't. It definitely looks like there's going to be a break around. Usually with the New York session, it's the opening of the New York session. Forex market, and then there's sometimes there's some liquidity popping in around the opening of the stock market, which is 8:30 Central Standard Time. It's 7 a.m. for the Forex markets. I like gold actually. Just want it to be enough liquidity where execute the trade all the way. I don't know about this. Let's see how that looks. The GU. Just to tighten that up. If I was to take a trade on GBP JPY, it would be a break of the high, or it'll be down here. Which isn't that much room. Let me see. Man, it's looking bullish over. Well, no, actually, it's looking bullish right. Yeah, I wouldn't even want to take. Well, you could take a buy, probably up to this point. It may be a liquidity snatch, but I don't even see it going up that high. It looks bullish overall. Boom, drop. Imbalance, drop. Just coming back up here to maybe retest something and it'll drop again. That's what it looks like to me. So, and so I'll probably take a 1-to-1 anywhere on GJ. Gold may take a 1-to-2 if it breaks, because it looks like it's moving a little bit. We'll see around 7 o'clock what happens. Usually there's a pre-market move. I wonder what happened during London last night. Hey, if anybody is watching live on YouTube, definitely like, comment, subscribe. Looks like I already got one like, so I appreciate you stopping in. Definitely let me know what do you trade and things like that. If you want to hop on, definitely let me know. I believe I can invite you on. I'm just waiting right now. I'm not extremely happy with my zones on GJ. I mean, they're alright. They're clean enough for you to make a... See, if the market was bullish on GBP, JPY, I definitely feel more comfortable about taking that buy all the way to the top. But as you've seen, the market is bearish. It's just retesting. Okay, boom. But it did make a double bottom. I mean, it could be reversing. It will have to break this high for me to come in, for me to believe the market is reversing though. It's a daily. We have to break this 162.42 for a level. Because you gotta think, okay, if this was the low, it didn't break this low. But it did make a higher high right here. So could be in for a market reverse. So I gotta keep that in mind too. It may be going up. I'll just see what happens. You know, I don't really have a bias on it right now. We'll see what happens. I recommend everybody to go check out Rivera Trading Group also over on YouTube. He's a great guy, great mentor. Get a lot of knowledge from Robert. Oh, excuse me. Need some coffee. Some coffee. See, who is this? See, I try to accept people, and then people be on some weird stuff on Facebook. so I can make me some coffee really fast. Yeah, let me make it right now before the market opens.
y'all gonna survive to like 130 years old.
Yeah, man, let's kill it this week.
Just take an
Appreciate you stopping in. It looks like gold may make a break to the upside this morning. Yeah, definitely making that fake out. Let me see what we're looking like on a little bit higher time frame. I know there was a lot of positive news coming out of the U.S. economy this week, especially about home sales jumping. So I know that usually means gold is going to come down a little bit, but we'll see. They usually manipulate price, so. Yeah, I actually do trade GU. That was my favorite pair for a while. I took a look at it this morning and it didn't look very clean to me. I tried to mark something up on it, but I mean, yeah, there's definitely something right there. GU looked like it may break to that low of the day. So that actually looks really good, actually. See, I was just hesitant of taking it back up, but yeah, GU. And usually GU moves the opposite of gold. So that looks like a true GU move. Gold looks like it's breaking to the upside. GU looks like it's bearish, so. Okay, let me, one moment. USD. I did when I first started. It was a little too volatile for me, but I know Robert, he traded GU a lot, in the past. But yeah, I just trade GBP, AUD, gold, and GJ currently. When I first started, I traded GBP USD. I guess it's just like anything. If you're used to it, you just get used to how the pair moves. So yeah. market just opened, 7 a.m. may not be any big movements until the opening of New York. I usually trade from 6 to 8, so we'll see. 8:30 the latest, but I don't want to be on it all day. The charts all day. That's the one thing I did like about London. The moves on there you'd know definitely after about an hour, well, about 30 minutes to an hour after the market open, if there's going to be a move or if we'll have to wait till the New York session. But this morning, usually if there's going to be a move from London, there would have been one. Especially on these pairs there probably was somewhere, but it's not on the pairs that I'm trading. May come back up to retest this level. I'm not sure. We'll put an alert on G. Not G. I keep saying GU, but it's GA. I'm gonna put an alert on here. That way I can just focus on I can just stay over here at GJ, keep eye on the GJ and gold. I meant to ask Andrew to hit that like button. So we'll give it to about 8:30 at the latest. Basically just waiting. There's no big news coming up out of the markets this morning. I guess about the opening of the New York session, there's some lightweight news. Nothing major though. Nothing major. So we definitely may have to wait till the stock market opens to see a move on gold. That's probably what I'll trade if I do have to wait till the market opens. Stock market opens at least. We will see. Seemed like the music jumped around a little bit right there. Definitely not a lot of liquidity this morning, or at least in the pairs I'm trading. I used to have an account with Forex.com. The one thing I do like about American brokers is you can't execute your trade through the trading view chart, right on the chart. So that's pretty cool. It's about an hour and 36 minutes before any U.S. news comes out. It's all low impact news, so nothing too crazy. Well, we'll see what happens here. Usually, if there's no volume, there's no breakout. And the way I judge volume is by the size of the candle. You know, had to have it muted a lot this morning because, the kids are moving around. So I can't see it being a breakout right now. Candles be moving around a lot more than that. I'm still fairly new at trading the New York session, so I was trading London for years. I kind of know how London moves, but I don't want to get up in age and still be trading London, stand up all night, with a wife and kids are growing up, but look like maybe some type of something going on with GJ. Let me look at GU really fast. Okay, now there's liquidity coming into the market. You can just tell how the candles are moving a little bit more. They make like faster movements. Don't necessarily have to make a big candle like that, but they'll move faster, definitely. So, and that's GA. So we'll see. I'm not going to force a trade or anything like that. So if we get a break and a retest up here, or if there's a lot of volume, then I might take the break. But even right now, gold looks like it's moving. But usually GJ and GU move in the opposite, and GA and gold move the same way. So GJ may be trying to pull a fake out, but as you can see, the candles you can just tell some liquidity is popping into the market right now. I just want the cleanest setup out of all of them. The cleanest setup. The thing about it is, I don't know if GJ is telling the truth, because usually it moves with gold. So gold look like it may be on the move. Gold will definitely, there's going to definitely have to be volume coming in with gold for it to break the low of the day. See how those candles are moving now? Just moving a little bit faster. I usually risk 2% on these trades. If I catch a loser, I won't then I won't trade again. If I get a win, then I'll trade again. We usually wait for a close of the 15-minute, depending on the value. Close of the 15-minute retest or break on the 15-minute. I manage it on the 5. So we will see. We will see. Yep, looks like gold may be on the move. Yep, maybe take a sell on gold, but just be a little bit more patient. See, gold looks like it's telling the truth. But that GJ looks like it's lying. GJ lying to me. We'll see, we may have a trade right here coming up. If we do get a break. My spread's looking like on gold. Almost zero spread on gold too. Wow. I don't like GJ. Okay, let's just focus on gold for right now. We may have something right there. They have something on gold. Wait, still. Oh, wait. Just be patient. See, with the low spreads on gold, it makes me think there is going to be a break of it because the spreads are like zero. That's like okay, gold is on the move. It's about to. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, gold. Gold is, well, I thought it was going to break. More than likely it will. The spreads are very low on gold, actually. That's like Euro USD spreads. You know, I'm still trying to wrap my head around how people trade indices with those spreads that high. Almost 9 pips on NASDAQ. And they're scalping, so I don't know what's going on with that. You know, I know I talked to Robert about it, and he was telling me the spreads may tighten up as the New York session opens, but on the spreads were the same on my chart though, so or on my broker that I use, and broker that I use usually has tight spreads. So I messaged somebody else, this guy called the Day Trading Addict, because I know he trades US NASDAQ. He trades the NASDAQ too. I just asked him about how does he handle his spreads. I'm not sure if he scalps. I don't really follow him like that. I just know he trades NASDAQ, so I'll just see what he says. And eventually I want to start trading indices. But it's like, I mean, I'm still trying to just wrap my head around those spreads. Like, I did a trade on indices last week and I broke even on it, but I look at that wick on gold. So that closes with that wick like that. I'm pretty sure gold's not going to break down to it's not going to break the low of the day, at least right now. See, New York session is just kind of weird. It's like with London, it's either the pre-London move or the London, and right after, an hour after London, usually a half hour or 45 minutes after the market opens. If there's not a move, then it's not going to be one. But with New York session, it seems like there could be a pre-Forex market, because there's two markets opening up at this, back to back. There can be a pre-New York session move on the Forex side when the market opens. As far as the Forex market, there can also be a move, and then sometimes there's not a move. And in the currency markets, there's sometimes a move during the stock market open. So it's kind of weird like that, but I just got to get used to it. That's all. Just got to get used to it. Anybody checking me out, make sure you hit the like button, please, for me. That will help a lot. No momentum, no volume, no breakout. Seems like it's just going to range. I at least wanted to give you guys a trade while I was live. I usually cut it out at about 8 o'clock. Usually trade from 6 to 8. I want to give you guys a live trade, but it's still early in the week. I'm not going to force anything. Zones look pretty clean. This one, I'm not sure about 100 shares. This one looks like it. Something like that. On that GA. Maybe something like that. Something like that. Look at that wick. That's a nice wick. With a wick like that, it's going to push back up. So I probably got about 45 minutes worth of trading left in me today. Then I'll hit the gym. Thought I had something on gold. There was definitely volume coming in, but maybe a liquidity snatch or something like that. I'm not going to rush it. See, I got a trade coming in and goes. It's going to be like tomorrow. So I won't be live trading tomorrow. I do have some business to take care of, like super early in the morning. Well, I might be. It just depends. I got to be there by 7:45 Central Standard Time. So that's about the time it is right now. So I might jump on from 6 to 7 or catch a pre-London move. I said pre-London move, pre-New York. Or the opening of the Forex markets. But that wick right there is just hard to believe that that's going to break. Let's go down here. Take these to the 30. If that closes on the 30-minute, well, now look. If it closes on the 30-minute with that wick right there, I really don't see it breaking. Turn this off.
I feel so good that I think I'm gonna.
ID has been locked. We have locked your Apple ID because our service has detected 2 unauthorized devices. That's good. These people, there's some weird people out here, man. It's weird. People ain't got nothing to do. Oh. So we might have a break on. So we might have a GU trade. Definitely breaking. Yep. See that? I just don't like that. It's like the liquidity will pop in and just, it's not a lot of volume. Definitely not going to rush a trade. There's some weird people out here. I already know who that is. Probably trying to log into my Apple. And then it's going to create a wick. If this was going to break, it would have kept breaking. Maybe a no trade day from this morning. Look at that wick. GJ might break. I'm not sure. Then this is going to be a 30-minute close on gold with that big wick like that too. I still like GA. But as we can see, this is where we're at with it. This is where we're at with it. So, man, let's call it. it's approaching 8 a.m. I might shut it down. I usually trade from 6 to 8. And there's not a lot of liquidity this morning, so GU looks like it's about to break. It's still like a lot. It's not a lot of volume, so yeah, guys. So pretty much, I'm gonna just shut it down. GU look like it may break, but there's not enough volume for me to take that trade. And as you can see, there's a little resistance right here, so I don't want to take a buy right here, run into this resistance, and then just come down. Even though it'd be a good little 1-to-1, but just not liking it. All right, I'm out. Take care. Take care, everyone. Bye.